Okay, as promised, today I will try to show how to shorten the one-size-fits-all leather bracelets. These bracelets are very big when you take them. That's why many people don't understand, like, what will I do with such a huge one? Look, it's very, very big. But the thing is that it's XXL for everyone, and then you take it and you shorten it. In short, what you do, you take this side and you open it. You open it from here, upwards, from this side upwards, and from this side upwards. I'll show it now. Do not take anything too sharp if you don't want to scratch the steel. Even though it's stainless steel, it still can be scratched. But just something dull, like this, for instance, but also firm. So you insert this one into here, and you simply lift it up. You lift it like this, and it opens. And here we go. You can see it, right? There is a little thing here, this little edge. I don't know if you can see it now. Yeah, you probably can see this profile. So that the pins, these ones, they would fit in. So you will need this one. So for now, I just open this one, and I open this one. The same way. The same way it opens like this. I hope it's visible how it works. So, and then you just pull it out. That's it. By then you should know already how big or small you want it. So you measure it approximately how much you want to cut. Cut symmetrically. Cut symmetrically on each side. Do not cut everything on one side, my suggestion, because the picture is aligned in the middle. So you want to keep it in the middle, right? So you cut a little bit here, you cut a little bit here. I'll show you on another piece how you cut it, right? So, for example, you just take any knife, sharp enough, and you already know, for instance, you want to cut it here. You cut it like this. Use a cutting board, that's the best. Not too difficult. The interesting part comes later, here. They are slightly asymmetrical, these two pieces. They will come like this, and you will be closing it like this, right? And the leather will come here and here. So what you need to do to know where and how, you insert it into this, for example. You insert it here on this side. Make sure you do not close this little opening. So I'll show you here. It should be visible when you insert it. There should be this little gap where you can see it. Then what you do, when you line it, you close it, but not completely. It will not let you close completely because this one is very thick. But you press it firmly enough to have a print. I don't know, I hope it's visible. There are these little holes, you see them. You make a little undercut, not too deep, so that you can see it. And then you cut it 2 times 45 degrees. This way and this way. So that the pins, they were exactly in this line. Don't cut it too deep, but it should be deep enough. Approximately, I would say half of this one. Then you insert it again here. And it closes perfectly well. It closes very easily. You can see it. If you need to open it, you open it again like this. And nothing difficult. On the other side, you do absolutely the same thing. Once you opened it here, you insert the side that you need to here. Here, the border is this pin. If you can see it, the one that holds the hinge. Try not to press it too much towards the hinge. Give it a little bit of space just to breathe. Again, you press it, not too much. Don't be overly enthusiastic. But you can see, like, I'm doing it like this and nothing happens because this is stainless steel. It's actually written, yeah, it's written here that this is stainless steel. Anyways, I hope everyone can see it now because I can see them very well. I have this ding, 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 ding. And this is where my undercut should go. So again, I make a little line here just to understand. And then I go 2 times 45. Approximately half the width. Half the, what is it, depth. And this is what we have in the end to meet the little teeth here. And then we insert one into the other. Ding, ding, ding. This way. A little bit of space to breathe for the pin. And voila. Perfect. This one. And now we have it here too. Yes. And now we have a tiny, 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 tiny bracelet. Yay!